All right, so this is the command center where we can view different firefighters. Currently, the mesh network isn't active, so we wouldn't be able to view these cameras from here, but hypothetically, we would be able to. And associated with them, we would have data from our hardware, such as the temperature, air quality, battery percentage, etc., and data from their LiDAR and camera, such as objects in the room, and their system status, of course, to make sure everything's online. And here we have a safety monitor that tracks their IMU movement, and if they move very slowly for a prolonged period of time, that means that they're stuck in an area. And if they don't move at all, that means that they either passed out, which is like sends out a warning signal to the map that we have made, and it also fires an alarm on their helmet. So this is what it would look like on the dashboard. We also have it sent to the communications log, which we can say, please go help FF001. And it'll go in the chat. Oh, this is blaring throughout the whole thing, but we can also join a voice call, which will be connected to every single firefighter's helmet. And we can transcribe text to send, so the firefighters can see what we're saying on the HUD if what we're saying isn't easy for them to hear. Okay. We also have access to a tactical map, which we have LiDAR data sent on an Arduino to one of our sockets that we have on this main computer that is set up from a router that we made. And currently we would have a SLAM built LiDAR and IMU map, but currently we're not sending that data. For the sake of the demo, we have a recording of a stationary 2D LiDAR point cloud that we made. And on this map, we would be able to see the location of every single firefighter that we have and their status. Now I will move on to the live feed demo, which requires me to connect all of my hardware. All right, so we've been having demo issues for like about an hour now. So a lot of our functionalities went offline because just like errors and our teammates went to sleep or whatever. So here we have the, what's it called? The router that we set up, right? Ad hoc router? Yeah, the ad hoc router that we set up. And for this demo, we're only gonna be using this radar data and our camera. So over here, John has the radar set up. And I'm going over to the computer that's receiving all of the radar and camera signal from the WebSocket. And over here, I've pulled up our website, and John has our data over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit start detection, and I need to move around. So all right, so we had some technical difficulties, but here, as you can see, we have a radar range. And as I walk closer, it's gonna tell us that we're getting closer, and gonna tell us to avoid an object coming forward. As you can see, there's a little bit of noise, but yes. Now it's telling us to be careful because we're too close to the wall. I'm gonna back up so that that goes away. Okay, perfect. Okay, and because I can't screen record, I need to pause the video to go to the next spot. So here are the features that are present in our live feed page. We have the team chat, which was seen previously. We have a camera selection to select which helmet of which firefighter we want to see. We have this to stop the object detection. And I just flipped my camera around so you can see, but we actually have gesture detection to handle pinging. So it's a bit noisy right now, but there are different commands that mean different things. And We have what we have in the detection. We have the list of commands, and we also have a room analysis. So based on the objects that we've currently seen in a room, we're going to put them all in a set and then call a lightweight LLM to classify which type of room we're in to help with the communication in the mapping system. And we have the system status and of course the LiDAR. And it's kind of noisy right now, but I'm also standing below the camera and LiDAR. But anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera around and test the object detection and the classifier. So here we're in a classroom and we see TVs, chairs, desks, TV, just a bunch of classroom stuff, as expected. And let's go see what our LLM thinks this is. It thinks it's an office, so that's pretty good. And yeah, that's about it for our demo.